Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Then click on the Delete button right next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!